All right, today we're gonna bring a COCOCAM, and if you guys notice, this is an indoor camera. They do give you an actual mount if you want to set up upside down for ceiling entrances. This is perfect for indoors. If you want to put them in your places in every corner, if you have an Airbnb, you want to monitor certain places, this is it. Now they give you the instructions, including the app where to download. It's very simple. It's called COCOCAM, the app. You download, you register. That's pretty much it. Now you do have a couple items on the site, right? You got the TF, which is this is going to be the memory card. It's a micro SD card. You got reset, and then you got power. Under in the back of it is the actual barcode that you're going to require. It has the two-way audio, so if you want to put in like in an entrance where it's not going to get wet too much, this is a perfect area because this is not for outdoor graded. It's indoor graded. USB Type C to Type A. And that's pretty much it. So we're gonna go ahead and plug it in right here, and the plug goes in the back, if you guys can see that. In case you mess up, you can always reset it. All right, so we're gonna go into the COCOCAM here. If you guys can see, I'm actually remote into it. So once you log into the camera itself, it takes a couple minutes, seconds, depending. Right now, this is a live shot of my living room, if you guys can see that. And you got a couple options here. You're able to take screenshots, hold to talk, record, motion detected. So anybody that's coming in and out, it's going to detect it. And not only that, it's going to save into a record too. And here's the best part. You have access to manage the actual camera from here and remote into it. Those are the features I like. I like some of them. You could go history, cloud if you have the services, and like I say, live shot. Here, if somebody's in the house and you want to alert them, you could alert them with the siren too. All right, I want to keep an eye on my dogs here, my family too, once in a while. Here's a camera here that I just put up there. You guys can see it. So it's gonna take a shot of the entire area here. You're gonna see my little mess here. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm sitting right here in the darkness. All right, this is dark. This is in the light now. If you guys can see it, how bright it is. I'm gonna show you that it could go 360 still. Let me show you here.